Hey there! Welcome back to AppSolute, the place where we break down everything AI, machine learning, and the coolest software tools to keep you ahead of the game. I'm Ugwu, Favour, and my goal is to make tech simple, fun, and super useful for you. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and take your content to the next level, you're in the right place. Picture this: you put out a post, and suddenly, it's everywhere. People are liking, sharing, and engaging with your content like crazy. Your notifications are blowing up, and your follower count is skyrocketing. Feels like magic, right? But here's the truth: going viral isn't about luck, and it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you've ever spent hours brainstorming content ideas, struggling to write the perfect caption, or wondering why your posts aren't getting the attention they deserve, you're not alone. We've all been there. Social media is competitive, and standing out can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that AI could be your secret weapon? Meet ChatGPT, your ultimate AI assistant for creating viral-worthy social media content. This powerful tool can help you generate engaging captions, craft compelling stories, and brainstorm trending ideas in seconds. Imagine having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas and enables you to optimize your content for maximum reach. That is exactly what Chat can be to you. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to use ChatGPT to take your content to the next level. I'll be sharing practical tips, powerful prompts, and proven strategies that will help you grab attention, boost engagement, and increase your chances of going viral. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or business owner, these AI-powered techniques will save you time, enhance your creativity, and supercharge your social media game. So, if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, stick around, because this is about to get exciting. Let's get started. Understanding what makes a post go viral. Alright, let's talk about it. Why do some posts blow up while others barely get a reaction? You've probably seen it happen. Someone posts a random tweet or video, and suddenly, it's everywhere. Meanwhile, you spend time crafting the perfect post, and it gets, what? 2 likes from your best friend and your mom. Yeah, I've been there too. But here's the thing: going viral isn't magic, and it's not luck either. There's actually a formula to it. And if you get these 3 things right, you'll have a much better shot at making your content pop. Note that there are many other points, but we will go with these 3. Number 1, emotion. Think about it. When was the last time you shared a post? Chances are, it made you laugh, cry, or feel something strong enough to hit that share button. People connect with content that sparks emotions, whether it's funny, inspiring, or even shocking. If your post makes someone feel, they'll want to pass it along. Number 2, relatability. Ever seen a meme and thought, OMG, this is literally me? That's relatability in action. When people see themselves in your content, they engage with it. Whether it's a tweet about struggling to get out of bed in the morning or a TikTok about the struggle of Wi-Fi going out during a Zoom call, if people relate, they react. And finally, number 3, trendy topics. Social media moves fast. If you're talking about what's already trending, whether it's a viral challenge, a meme, or a hot news topic, your content is way more likely to get noticed. Trends equals visibility, simple as that. Now, here's where ChatGPT comes in. Instead of sitting there thinking, what should I post today? You can use AI to generate emotional, relatable, and trending content in minutes. Sounds cool, right? Let's continue. Using ChatGPT to generate viral content ideas. Alright, let's talk about how to come up with viral content ideas, because let's be honest, sometimes the hardest part is just figuring out what to post. But here's the good news: ChatGPT can do the heavy lifting for you. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can ask AI for viral content ideas in seconds. Let me show you how to use real, trending topics. 1. Jumping on current trends. Social media trends change fast, and if you want to go viral, you need to tap into what people are already talking about. Instead of manually scrolling through Twitter or TikTok for ideas, just ask ChatGPT. Let's see a demo with this template. Give me 5 viral post ideas about trending topic. Let's say everyone is talking about Apple's new Vision Pro headset, which is trending by the way. You could type, "Give me 5 viral post ideas about the Apple Vision Pro." And ChatGPT might suggest topics like 1. Apple Vision Pro versus real life. Can you tell the difference? 2. 5 insane things you didn't know the Apple Vision Pro can do. 3. Would you wear this in public? Is Apple Vision Pro social experiment? 4. POV, you just got your Apple Vision Pro. Here's what happens next. 5. Apple Vision Pro versus Meta Quest 3. Who wins the battle of the future? See how instantly you've got viral-worthy ideas. And all you did was ask ChatGPT for help. Use this template for your niche and see how it works out for you. 2. Creating posts based on your audience's interests. Maybe you're into cybersecurity, no problem. You can ask ChatGPT for viral content based on your niche. Here is a template you can use. Generate a viral tweet for niche cybersecurity, about topic cybersecurity tips and tricks. Type this into ChatGPT and voila! We get a viral-worthy tweet in a few seconds. That's a relatable and specialized niche, and it fits your audience, exactly what you need for a viral post. You can apply this template to any niche. All you have to do is just to change the niche and topic. 3. Get platform-specific viral prompt. Each social media platform needs a different type of post. So instead of guessing, ask ChatGPT for viral content ideas specific to TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. TikTok, give me a viral TikTok idea about topic. Instagram, write a catchy Instagram caption for a post about topic. Twitter/X, generate a short, witty tweet about topic. Facebook, create an engaging Facebook post about topic. Up next, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write captions and hooks that grab attention, so don't go anywhere. How to use ChatGPT for high engagement social media content. Social media moves fast. If your content doesn't hook people immediately, they'll scroll past it. In this guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft engaging captions, viral tweets, and short-form video scripts, and repurpose content across platforms for maximum reach. But before we proceed, let's discuss what makes a good hook. What makes a good hook? It sparks curiosity. It triggers emotion. A good hook highlights a problem. It promises a benefit. Master the hook, and you'll master social media. So, how do you use ChatGPT to create high engagement social media content? Let's see the following steps. Step 1. Crafting engaging captions and hooks, Influencer Edition. The first line of your post determines if people stop scrolling or keep reading. A strong hook grabs attention instantly and encourages engagement. Let's see an example using a fitness influencer. Let's say you're a fitness influencer like Chloe Ting or Simeon Panda, and you want to post about weight loss. You can ask Chat to generate a strong hook that will grab attention about weight loss. Struggling to lose weight? What if I told you that the secret isn't just diet and exercise, but something even more powerful that most people overlook? Stay with me, because this could change everything. Looking at the response generated by ChatGPT, the hook effectively sparks curiosity, the what if I told you questions, and the fact that it's a secret. It also triggers emotion as seen in the opening question, struggling to lose weight. And the closing phrase, this could change everything. We can also see that it highlights a problem, the struggle to lose weight, and also promises a benefit, the phrase, something more powerful. We could be more specific about that something to make the hook even more powerful. Most times, ChatGPT may not be this accurate in generating a great hook. In those times, our human insight is most needed. Remember, don't leave everything to AI. Test AI-generated hooks, tweak them for authenticity to match your brand voice. Step 2. Creating viral-worthy tweets and threads. Twitter thrives on short, punchy, emotionally charged tweets. AI can help craft viral-worthy posts. Let's see a demo. Open ChatGPT and type in the prompt. In no time, you get a punchy tweet that suits the platform and is packed with the right information to make it go viral. We can also use ChatGPT to generate video scripts for short-form videos which can trend on social media. Step 3. Using ChatGPT for short-form video scripts. AI can generate TikTok, Reels, or YouTube short scripts that feel natural and engaging. Let's see an example for a business tip reel. We'll pass in a hook to ChatGPT and it'll generate the body of the video. Let's try this. Hook: you're losing money by ignoring this simple marketing trick. Enter. And as we can see, in no time, ChatGPT generates a suitable body to complete our video script. Body: most businesses struggle with conversions, but this one strategy can change everything. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to use it to boost your sales. Step 4. Repurposing content from multiple platforms. Let's get a post from Twitter and repurpose it for Instagram and LinkedIn. Prompt: take this tweet and rewrite it as an Instagram caption and LinkedIn post. In less than a minute, we get the repurposed contents, saving us hours that could have been spent crafting the posts to suit each platform. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but the key is to refine AI-generated content to match your brand voice. Use hooks to stop the scroll, craft engaging tweets, create short-form videos, and repurpose content across platforms. Try these prompts, tweak the outputs, and watch your engagement grow. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. Always personalize AI-generated content to make it sound natural and human. Challenge: try creating a viral post using ChatGPT. Use one of the prompts I shared, post your results, and let me know how it performs in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more people discover this content. Share this video with your friends, colleagues, or anyone looking to level up their social media game with AI. We've got more exciting content coming your way to help you with everything AI, machine learning, and the coolest software tools to keep you ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.